I'm trying to copy Nancie's poses as well. I am. I'm going for it. Hey guys, today we're doing something super exciting, something that I actually asked you guys on Instagram if I should do. It's this new trend that's been going around on YouTube. I don't know if it's still a trend. Maybe I'm late to jump onto the bandwagon. So the trend is that people have been following other people's makeup tutorials just to see how it is to actually follow a makeup tutorial from start to finish. So I asked you guys on Instagram, and in case you're not following me on Instagram, shameless plug, I will put my handles somewhere here on the screen so that you can follow me. But I asked you guys if you wanted to see me do follow a Kenyan's makeup tutorial or an un-Kenyan, and you guys overwhelmingly chose Kenyan, and many of you guys suggested Nancie Mwai. So basically this video is for you guys. I'm giving you guys exactly what you asked me for. So already for that, I think I deserve this, a thumbs up. So I'm going to be following Nancie's makeup tutorial. I have it here on my laptop. This is a tutorial that she did, makeup in a rush, 15 minutes late. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, Nancie, show us the way. Okay. She's starting with a spray that I don't have. Wait, too fast. Okay, she started with a spray that I don't have, but of course I'm still going to have to prime. So I'm just going to use my usual primer. So I think she said let me just rewind real quick. Just wait. Okay, yeah, she's using an oil blocking spray. I can't use that because I don't have oily skin, so yeah. Okay, I have that. She's using an Elegant Pro Conceal. Same, Nancie, same. Mine is also almost over. Okay, wait. So she's using her Elegant Pro Concealer to conceal her blemishes and stuff, which is almost over like mine. You guys, Nancie has flawless skin, so that step didn't take her long, but for me, it's gonna take me a minute to conceal all my dark spots because they're quite a number. Okay, I have that.
And then I'm going to blend that out with my Opal Cosmetics powder brush. This brush is so fun.
Wait. So let me just say this black opal stick foundation, mine is in truly Topaz, and it's a bit light for my skin. So note that before you come at me in the comments. I know it's light for my skin tone. So she's using a Pauline Cosmetics brush, which I don't have, but I've seen her spraying some Fix Plus, which I also don't have, but I'm just going to use my e.l.f. mist and set on my brush, and then we can blend together. Wait. Okay, woo, Jesus, okay. Let me blend my foundation out. It's supposed to be a 15 minutes late, right? And I need to keep up with Nancie. I need to be quick about this. Okay, so now I'm ready to play. So already what I'm saying about following makeup tutorials is that it's really hard because the person doing the tutorial forwards some parts and you're still there, trying to catch up. So let's continue. We're doing the brows now. Okay. Okay, wait. I don't know what Nancie is using to fill in her brows. It looks like she's using a powder. I'm gonna break the rules here. I'm just gonna fill them in the way I usually fill them in with my pencil because I don't have any powder products for my brows. So I'm just gonna use my pencil. Okay, also, you know, this black opal foundation is usually not the easiest for me to blend, and I think I mentioned that in my review of the product. So we all need to be thanking Nancie because she's just given us an amazing tip, which is to put some setting spray on your brush. That has made my blending life easier. So big up to you, Nancie. Shout out to you. Okay, let's fill in the brows. Okay, she's going in with a concealer to clean up and sharpen. Okay, let me do that as well. Where's my concealer? Please don't let me down. Where's my concealer? Okay, here we go. Let's sharpen the brows. Okay, eyebrows are sharpened, so we can move on. Did she do concealer at the top of the brows? No, I don't think so. Anyways, now she's putting concealer under her eyes. I know my concealer is not as light as hers. Hers is pretty light, like 2 shades lighter than her skin tone. Mine is just like my skin tone shade. But we're just gonna make do. Okay, wait, she's already blending. Where is my sponge? Here we go. So as she's blending the concealer under the eyes, she's also taking it to the lid, which I will do as well. I feel like I'm putting my sponge in my nose. Oh gosh. Okay, we're right there with you, Nancie. Okay. She's using her foundation brush to blend out the harsh lines. Okay, I'm not gonna repeat because you guys, I think, can hear what Nancie is saying. Blend out them harsh lines. Okay.
Take my, what is this? Contour stick from MAC. This contour stick is so fire. I'm going to do a review of it. It's amazing. Then I'm going.
Wait, I don't have this fire contour stick, unfortunately, but I have the black opal foundation in beautiful bronze, so that's just what we're gonna have to work with. So she's put it here. Okay, this Nuni is so red toned, but anyway. Then she's also put it on her nose, which I never really ever contour my nose, if you guys have noticed. But today, if Nancie says we contour the nose, we are gonna contour the nose. Blending that nose contour wasn't easy, and also the rest of the, sorry if my beads are making noise, but even the rest of it, I don't know if it's the stick foundation or it's just my skills. But okay, tell us what to do next, Nancie. She's using,
Just set the highlighter.
okay, so Nancie is setting her concealer. I don't have the black opal invisible blocking powder, so I'm just going to substitute that for Masasha. Let me see the amount she's actually using so that I know how much to put. Okay, she's actually not putting much, so I'm also not gonna put much. And she's also setting her, okay, she's also setting her lid area. Okay, so Nancie has also put setting powder on her forehead. So I think maybe she put concealer on her forehead. She just didn't put it on camera, or she didn't, but I'm following her tutorial. So I'm doing what she is doing.
Yes. Then I'm going to take
Okay, so she's setting her contour with a bronzer. I don't have a bronzer, so I'm just going to use a darker powder to set my contour. So I'm going to use my black opal loose powder in dark to set my contour. Okay, this time she's dragged it all the way up to her forehead. She's done it like that.
Then I'm going to take my body cosmetics powder and just set my face as I'm brushing out that translucent powder from under my eye.
Okay, so now she's setting the rest of my face, of her face, as she dusts off the powder from her face, the setting powder. Okay, Nancie is using a blush I don't have, so I'm going to try and replicate that color with an eyeshadow from my Morphe palette. Okay, I think I've tried to replicate her blush the best I can. So now she's taking...
Just to blend all those powders together.
So now she's using her Fix Plus, which I don't have. I know, guys, I don't even know what I'm doing with my life without that MAC Fix Plus. Everybody has it, and I don't. So I'm just going to use what I have.
And just before it dries, I'm going to apply my highlighter to the highest points of my face, my cheekbone. I'm going to apply to under my brow, on my cupid's bow, my chin, and my temples.
Okay, we're doing highlighter. I also, again, don't have the highlighter she has, but that's okay, that's okay. That combo is cute. The blush and the highlighter is really cute. Okay, let me just play that part again. I see exactly where she's putting the highlight.
Cupid's bow, my chin, and my temples.
Chin. I never put highlighter on my chin.
My nose.
She's going for the glow, you guys. So I'm just putting where I'm seeing her putting. She's going for that glow. She said she also put on her the bridge of her nose. So I'm gonna do the same.
Liner in chestnut, and then I'm going to use my new lipstick from MAC in Peach Stock.
Okay, we're lining the lips now. Oh, wait, let me use a small mirror like Nancie. She's using a pencil by LA Girl. I'm just using mine by Davis. Okay, she's also using a lipstick that I don't have. So I have two options here. I have this one by Colourpop. What's this one usually called? Hello. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, Beeper. And then I also have this one by Susie Beauty. This is Toffee. No, this is Oath. So I'm trying to see, no, this is Toffee. It's Toffee. So I'm trying to see which of the two is closest to hers. Okay, I'm thinking we do Oath. Not Oath, it's Toffee. Toffee, it's Toffee. Let's do Toffee.
Then I'm going to add some mascara to my lashes.
Mascara time.
And then, oh my god, time was up, guys. Time was up. And let's continue. Lastly, I'm going to use my...
Okay. She said time was up for her. For me, time is way up. I've been at this for definitely way over 15 minutes, and I even want to add some lipstick because I'm seeing hers is really popping.
Then I'm going to take this brow gel and I'm just going to set my brows. And that's it, guys.
I don't have the brow gel she has, so I'm just going to use the one I have, which is by Revlon. Woo! And we are done. Okay, we have to do the poses with Nancie. We have to. Let me even fix my hair, because how she came out slaying with a wig. So let me fix my hair at least. I'm trying to copy Nancie's poses as well. I am. I'm going for it. Give me a thumbs up if you think I nailed Nancie's look. Don't give me a thumbs down if you think I didn't. Just ignore. And comment down below whether I nailed it or not. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.